Hello, and welcome to the Vertex Forge's Component Introduction for Theme Preset Components. Theme presets offer a streamlined way to apply consistent design settings across all components in your project. Instead of repeatedly configuring individual styles, you define reusable presets that can be referenced by any component using the component theme system. Theme presets, like all other content type components like pages, layouts, or global components, can be managed in the structure of choice inside the theme presets root folder. Let's create a new theme preset called My New Preset with the preview URL for the visual editor linked to the homepage, which corresponds to the /slug. When you open our new theme preset, you will immediately see the visual editor's preview of our homepage, where we have prepared a test section under the page's hero section as our playground for theme presets. Theme presets, like any other component, have a different set of fields and options that can be configured. In this case, we have theme options for components and elements, content, triggers, and other states, each in its respective tab and accordion section. These options provide us with the flexibility to apply presets to any component that supports one or more of these options. We will interrupt the theme preset styling for now and go directly to our playground section to demonstrate the difference between using theme presets and setting individual component theme styles. As the theme preset sets a specific preview URL, when interacting with any of the content, outlines, or objects on the previewed page, you jump directly to this component instead of remaining inside the theme preset. Now let's take a look at this little element in our new section with a grid. We can easily make design changes to the element through our Vertex Forge component theming plugin on an individual block basis and change settings like the border color or any other desired option. So, what if we do not only want one grid element here but three? Easy! We copy the first element 2 times and change the content for the second and third elements. The visual editor provides us with immediate feedback on our adaptations, making this process child's play. Now that we have 3 elements here, we realize that the border as the primary color is not what we want. We want a nice green border. What now? Well, since we have individual styling set in each component block's theme, we go into each element separately and set the border color to an emerald shade. If we want to speed that up, we can also take advantage of the theme copy function on the first element and apply it to the second and third elements. But wait, what? We are talking about theme presets, so let's take advantage of them and show you how much more convenient they make this process. So, for now, we hit the reset function on each of these elements' component themes to remove all styling options. Then we set the theme preset reference on each of the elements to the My New Preset we previously created. The reference selection is similar to other references, offering a smooth and convenient searchable drop-down for easy access. Then, we save our progress and reopen our theme preset, with the possibility next to the set reference of the theme preset. Then, we import the settings we copied earlier from one of the elements, and you see, like pure magic, the settings are applied to all 3 of our elements. From that point on, every element immediately reflects any design changes you make in your theme preset. This ensures design consistency, minimizes repetitive styling work, and empowers both designers and content editors to work faster, more confidently, and collaboratively without ever needing to touch code. Theme presets are the backbone of scalable design in Vertex Forge. They bring clarity and structure to your design system, help teams move faster, and ensure that your website or shop remains visually coherent and flexible, regardless of how complex your content becomes. Let your design system breathe without ever losing structure. Theme once, reuse forever.